I got so the permit's up. We are up and running.
80, baby, I came out stunned. Tell me who you know getting shoebox money. My sneaker ball tall like Andre Drummond. Some of y'all bummer, y'all need a little something. I got it. Ran through the retros. When them came out.
Take a look and see what they're doing. Hey, how y'all doing? Still got the drywall up. I'm supposed to be meeting ADT in here soon. But yeah, we just waiting till ADT comes. Just spoke to and look at the gym. So y'all see the wall. The boys working back over there. There's the plumbing. So the restrooms over here. And then right here's gonna be the office. Don't look bad though. Definitely don't look bad. This is gonna be pretty cool, guys. All this is gonna be covered up. Yeah, but they're moving on the gym. The gym is moving. And look at the view, guys. I want y'all to see the view. You don't see it? I'm gonna do a drone shot in the air. Of course, I know you don't see it. See, I need to take measurement and get some poles. Definitely get some poles. Yeah. So we'll just wait till ADT comes in. So it has a traffic counter for me? Oh my God. So hold on. So let me ask you this. So I don't need it because I was going to invest in the typical like door.
Yeah.
I shouldn't?
No.
It doesn't?
No, it doesn't.
Hell yeah. Let's do that then.
You know, so depending on your inventory setup,
Yeah.
it tells you like at the end of the month you can set it to email you a report.
Right.
What part of the store is getting more heat or more attraction.
So that's awesome because this is the longest wall. So this is where, this is where all the shoes are gonna be at. They're probably gonna stop because I used to. Okay.
A lot of customers are requesting it.
Yeah.
But as of now, it's on visual and analytics.
Because that's my security mindset of it. But I mean, I can buy it. It's so many hidden buy things you can buy. But I'm letting everybody know that when I hire them, I tell you.
Nikki and Queen and she married the plug. Working and work if you do what you love. I'm on that legacy time for real. Already know, but she gon' get a meal. Sporting my SBs, I need an SB. I'm not a skater, but legend like Gretzky. Shoe empty, blowing like Dizzy Gillespie. You know my bread at